Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I bring you this unique style that you can tie to this great wedding. So come with me, let's do this style together. I have 4 layers joining, okay? So we are going to pleat and then we are going to start from the back. So I'm going to form my pleat. My measurement is, let's say 30, 70, okay? That is a shorter hand and a longer hand for this style. So I'm going to start like this. I'm going to pleat everything. Pleating, pleat, 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 and pleat. So we are putting everything behind me. Okay. So just arrange the one you can here and leave the rest. So you can use to open, you can use to close up your hair. Okay. Then also arrange this place while you are holding it very firm. Arrange and also arrange and arrange and arrange and leave these few ones in order to use to cover up for later. So now your pleating must not be 100%. Why? Because you are tying this on your head, but you can try to arrange your pleats just the way you are seeing me doing it. Now this is the shorter hand. It is going to come like this, not like this. Okay, you are coming like this instead, like this. Put it inside here, make it to pass to this hole, then tie. Then tie. You can still come back and arrange your plates. Still come back and arrange your plates. Okay. Arrange this place properly so you can use it for later works. So now this one, we are going to open it. Going to open it this way. I will start the pleat. And you drop it here. On top here, and then take this one and put it right at the back. So here, I'm going to arrange this one. I'm going to open this hand. Let's use this plate here like this. Okay. Take it inside, bring it a little bit. My peanuts fall down. Okay. Okay. Do the same thing here. So we have two here, then we have like this. This one. So we are going to use a pin. I just did so that it enters inside this way, and then you come.